Hi everybody, this is Steven Tasler with Exit Realty and this is Ask the Expert. Today we're here with Sherri Krueger, a family law attorney with Krueger and Juelich. They have offices in Minnetonka, Minnesota. They practice law primarily in the 7-county metro area of Minneapolis and St. Paul. Now Sherri, divorce is something that people don't generally like to talk about,
right.
But in today's society it's something that happens quite often. And divorce impacts home ownership. The question that we have today is, if a spouse is not listed on the deed, does that spouse have any rights to that property?
Yes, they do, and that's a question that we're asked quite often in a divorce. But by virtue of the marriage, that spouse still has a right in the property. In Minnesota, any property acquired during the marriage is considered or deemed marital property, and marital property is subject to equitable division. And we don't care whose name is titled with that asset.
So as soon as the marriage happens, then they have rights of some kind to that property.
That is correct.
Now, if they come into the marriage and they have property already in their name, how does that affect? Is there a part that is separated from those negotiations?
It depends on the situation. What that is called is a non-marital claim. So the general principle again is that all property acquired during the marriage is marital property. In this particular instance, it would be unlikely that the property would be completely paid for. So the ongoing accumulation of the equity in that property would be acquired during the marriage, or at least part of it. So we've got a partial claim to that would be non-marital to the person who originally brought it and brought it into the marriage. So again, that's a non-marital claim. The person who is making a non-marital claim has the responsibility to prove that non-marital claim. And in doing that, it's really important for people at the beginning, at the time that they're purchasing the property, to keep really good documentation and to keep that for the duration of the property ownership and beyond.
Excellent. Now, it sounds like that non-marital portion is quite an extensive and quite a complicated matter to talk about. Maybe we want to do that and put that in a whole separate video.
Absolutely.
So, if you have any other questions in regards to divorce, dissolution, and how it is going to affect your home, please feel free to give us a call. All of my information and Sherri's information will be listed in the comments below, so feel free to give us a call at any time. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon.